How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can center your objects in Tinkercad. Now it's going to be extremely simple. In my case, I'm going to be adding two shapes right here that's most likely identical. Basically, for my second shape, I'll make this a little bit smaller, and then I'll raise the height into a tall square, which will then penetrate our original shape. So let's just go ahead and drag on this specific slider. Let's make this a hole, and basically to center them together or align them together, just select both of your shape right here. You then want to click on the align function, which is going to be L as a shortcut. And on this icon, you then want to press on these buttons. It doesn't matter which order, but you just want to press the middle buttons right here. And for the second one, you then want to press the left and right and down function, which will basically align them together. So from here, all we have to do is to highlight them together, and maybe we want to make a hole inside this specific shape right here. So I'll just click on the union group option, and from there, we have perfectly aligned them together. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.